In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple table on Figma. We'll build a clean, reusable table using text, auto layout, and components, so you can scale it quickly and keep everything consistent. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and open the project where you want the table to live. If you don't have a frame yet, create one so your table sits neatly on the canvas. Next, select the text tool from the toolbar, or press the T key and click on your frame to start typing. Enter a simple label like column 1. Keep it straightforward for now. We can style it later. With that text layer selected, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. You'll see a copy appear. Change the copied text to column 2. Duplicate once more and rename the third one to column 3. Now you have 3 labels that will act as your first row's column headers. Drag to highlight all 3 text layers or hold Shift and click each one to select them together. Right-click the selection and choose Auto Layout. This groups the text into a single auto layout frame. In the right-hand panel, you can adjust spacing and alignment. If the items stack vertically, switch the direction to horizontal so they sit side by side like a row. Set a comfortable spacing between items and add padding so the row has breathing room. You can also apply a subtle fill or stroke to create a header look later if you'd like. With the row selected, turn it into a component by pressing Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows or Option+Command+K on Mac. Making it a component means you can duplicate consistent rows and update them in one place if needed. It also helps keep your design organized as your table grows. Now, simply duplicate that component to build out your table. Each duplicate becomes a new row. Rename the text inside each row to match your content, such as different entries or data points, while keeping the structure the same. If you need more columns, duplicate one of the text layers inside a row and adjust spacing. You can also resize columns by dragging their text layers and tuning padding and gaps for a neat grid. As you finalize, consider setting consistent font styles, weights, and sizes to improve readability. Keep alignment uniform and use light divider lines or alternating row fills if you want extra clarity. That's it. A simple, scalable table in Figma built with the auto layout and components.